A Good Day by Henkes. It was a bad day. Little Yellow Bird lost his favorite tail feather. Little White Dog got her leash all tangled up in the fence. Little Orange Fox couldn't find his mother. And Little Brown Squirrel dropped her nut. But then Little Brown Squirrel found the biggest nut ever. Little Orange Fox turned around and there was his mother. Little White Dog worked herself free and ran in circles through the dandelions. And Little Yellow Bird forgot about his feather and flew higher than he ever had before. And there's more. A little girl spotted a perfect yellow feather, picked it up, tucked it behind her ear, and ran to her mother, shouting, "Mama, what a good day!" The end.